Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be looking at platforms. We're going to be looking at smart contract platforms or the layer ones and saying, okay, which one would be a good one to buy? Maybe not right now, but we'll have a look at the charts for all of them very, very quickly and just seeing where the support lines are and just saying, okay, this is going to be a good buying opportunity for these ones. So we're going to go down and look at the safer ones. Just now, likes of Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and we'll look at all of them quickly, look at the charts for them and just seeing where the actual kind of support lines are for these and the good buying opportunities for them. So we'll dive into that just now, and we'll just go and start with Cardano. Now, Cardano is not one of my favourites, to be honest, Cardano, just now, but it's at a major support line just now. We can see here, if we fall below this, 87 cents area, and we've kind of fallen below it, we've wicked below it, but it's managing to stay just above that, and that's a major support line for Cardano round about this area just now. If it falls below that, the next kind of major support is 40 cents for Cardano, so that's a big drop from here if Bitcoin continues to drop, and it looks like it's going to go down to 35,000 at least, and possibly 29,000 for Bitcoin. So Cardano, looking at that, we've got a support area just now. If it falls below that, we're looking at 40 cents. Solana, it's not a similar situation, but Solana is currently at $84.91 just now. Now, if we fall below that, we're down at $66 for another area of support there. And below that, we're looking at much lower than that for Solana as well. And I think it will probably do that, is kind of bordering on that kind of support line. It's clinging by its kind of nails just now. So we're at kind of support just now for Solana. Falls below that, we could go down to 66. $66 would represent a good opportunity to buy for Solana. Cosmos, Atom. So Cosmos has fallen obviously as well. It's fallen below kind of previous support. The next area of support for Cosmos is around about the $20 range, which is not that far to fall for Cosmos, but below that you're looking at $15 range. So I think a good buying opportunity would be around about the $20 range for Atom. Polkadot has fallen below support already, so the support line for Polkadot was around about the $16 range. Has fallen below that and kind of coming back up. So we've got support here, 1665, as I said, has fallen below that. So the next area of support and a good buying opportunity for Polkadot would be the $10 range, $10.60 range. That would be the next kind of major support area, just looking at the kind of traffic light chart supports and resistances. So $10.60 for Polkadot, that would represent a brilliant buying opportunity, I think. Ethereum, we spoke about this before, Ethereum has fallen down below that support line of 2,900, kind of jumped up for a while, it did jump up, but now we're kind of looking at another support, major support of $1,700, and I think that would represent a brilliant buying opportunity for Ethereum. Phantom could fall, we'll just get rid of this EMA crossing line. Phantom could fall down to as low as $1.27. I think that would represent a really good opportunity to buy Phantom. So buying Phantom at $1.27 would be brilliant. Luna, Terra is another one. Buying that at $38 would be a brilliant buying opportunity here. It's kind of at support at the $38. It's kind of fallen below the kind of previous resistance and support as well, around about the 48 has fallen below that, but it's currently up there just now, so it might kind of bounce from here. I can't see it, and I can see it going down to $38 range, which is around about the area. I would definitely buy that. I think that'd be a brilliant opportunity. I think you could definitely see a 5x from $38 range for the rest of the year. AVAX, kind of looking at, I think a brilliant buying opportunity here would be around about the $52 range. It's fallen below support as well, around about the $70 range, and I think we could get down to the $52 range for that, so I think that would represent a brilliant buying opportunity as well. So we've got Ethereum, obviously that's a big one, market cap of 309 billion. We've got Binance at 61 billion, that's down to 365. I didn't look at that on the charts. Cardano, we looked at that of $27 billion just now. Solana, 27 billion as well. Terra, 19 billion. Polkadot, 17 billion. Avalanche, 17 billion as well. Polygon Layer 2, Chainlink, you've got Near, Stellar, Phantom. So Phantom's only 3.9 billion just now. I say only, but for me, because a lot of people are using Phantom, and I've been using Phantom quite a bit as well over the last probably a couple of months just now, and I think it's really easy, it's really quick as well, really cheap, and a lot of people I see a lot of things being built on Phantom as well. I think Phantom represents a brilliant opportunity to get in. Obviously there's ones lower down as well that you could look at. You could look at Harmony, a bit riskier as well. EOS, you could look at Elrond obviously as well at 3.3 million, and you've got other ones. Neo, I don't know if they're ever going to come back, but a lot of people have written them off, so it could be that because a lot of people have written them off, they'll come back and bounce quite a lot, but I'm not so sure. Cadena represents a good opportunity as well at 1 billion, and you've got the ones lower down here as well. XTC, you've got Icon as well. Moonriver, 219 million, that could be a brilliant one. But there's another one there's a couple of ones coming out, later ones. So we've got Left Zero, has just recently came out over the last kind of couple of weeks, talking about 27th of January. And they've been building this for 3 years, Left Zero, and I really like what the team are doing. I really like the team actually as well. And I bought into this, so I'm totally biased towards Left Zero. And it was holding support really, really well at $1.20, but it's since broken that support quite significantly and came down to a lower support of around about the 85 cents. 85 cents, I think that would be a great buying opportunity, but it could fall below because a lot of people got this at 10 cents. So they could see that as a way, okay, they're just going to get, in this market, they could just get rid of their Left Zero and hopefully buy in a lower price. So I think a lot of people are doing that just now, but still holding up relatively well at 98 cents. But 85 cents would be for me a good buying opportunity there. I hold a lot of this as well. And there's another one coming out called Devio. That'll be coming out hopefully within the next couple of months. I think in these market conditions, not going to come out. But that could be supposedly kind of these or the Left Zero and kind of Devio solve the trilemma, the kind of blockchain trilemma about scalability and all that as well. But we'll need to wait and see until it comes out and so until we see what they can do. But they've got the Litcraft game coming out as well, which is going to showcase the transaction speeds and the speeds of it as well. So that's going to be good coming out in the next couple of months as well. So keep an eye on Devio. Coach K has been talking about that in the past as well. And keep an eye for a Left Zero as well. I think that could be a good one. It's on MEXC just now, but if it gets on a different exchange as well, a couple of other exchanges could really kind of put that up as well. But it could come down. Just be careful of it coming down as well, and just look out for a good buying opportunity for a Left Zero as well. So that's it for the layer ones. For me, a safe one would be Phantom. Buying into Phantom just now, I think, is a brilliant opportunity to buy here for a safe one. I think that'd be a great buying opportunity. I can see that easily 10xing. So if this does come down to $1.27, I could see that quite easily 10xing and going up to 40, 50 billion. So I think that would be your safest layer one to get into if it keeps on falling, or even now start by kind of dollar cost averaging in. For a riskier one, obviously you're looking at a Left Zero as well. So if you look at the numbers for a Left Zero, you're talking about a market cap of, at the moment, with circulating supply of 161 million with a fully diluted valuation of 298 million. For me, this is risky, but this could be one of the ones that you just say, oh, I wish I'd got that in, or got into that when it was down to 98 cents or 85 cents. If it gets to 85 cents or even below that, it's going to be one of the ones you just think, wow, that was only had a market cap of 298 million fully diluted valuation. When you look at the others, and you could see a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x from here. And I love the team. I think the team are just, if you look at the team, they're just phenomenal. And I think this is just a start for the Left Zero, but it could take a while. That's the only thing. So riskier for me is a Left Zero, and a safe one for me would be Phantom. To get into that, you could easily see a 10x towards the end of 2022, but do your own research and look into that as well. For me, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging more into a Left Zero. It's a pity they didn't have the staking, but hopefully that'll come as well. But I'll be dollar cost averaging into a left zero as well. Okay, that's it for now. Until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.